Okay, here we're going to talk about what you do if your spa gets extremely dirty, water turns green or cloudy on you. Thing to remember in hot water environment, if it's not properly treated right away with sanitizer, they can go south on you very quickly. So don't panic if it ever just turn green on you. What you want to do typically is test your chemicals, adjust your pH. Key is always adjust your pH before you adjust chlorine or bromine levels. It'll make these chemicals more effective in the spa itself. In this spa we use a chlorine granular, so if my water is ever cloudy or green, it's simply a matter of getting my sanitizer level up to the level it should be. Typically, if that's the case, you take your chlorine granules, add go by the manufacturer's recommendations on the bottle to add enough sanitizer to get the level back up to where it should be, between 1 to 5 parts per million in the spa. If you're using bromine, you can use a bromine shock treatment to bring that level back up. Very important to test it somewhere around 6 to 8 hours after doing this to make sure your levels of sanitizer are brought back up into the correct range. If they are not, you want to reintroduce chlorine or bromine shock to the spa right away to make sure we're getting on top of that sanitizer level, and that should clear the spa up within 1 to 2 days.